Every sheet of paper begins its story here, deep inside a dense forest, where trees spend years growing, only to one day become the paper we hold in our hands. Across the world, Brazil, Finland, Sweden, Canada, the United States, and Russia are among the largest suppliers of wood used in paper manufacturing. But paper is not made from wood alone. Sugarcane bagasse, often considered waste, is actually a valuable and sustainable raw material for paper production. Every old newspaper and every used office sheet has the potential for a second life. Today, nearly 60% of the raw material used in papermaking comes from recycled fibers. Now the real journey begins. The wood is cut into small chips, the fundamental raw material used to produce almost every type of paper.
The pressure's spiking. Shut it down! I'm on it!
These wood chips are loaded into a large vessel and cooked with a chemical solution at temperatures between 160 and 170 degrees Celsius. This process is known as the craft process. This is the very first step in papermaking. The bark is removed from the logs, and the wood is cut into small pieces to prepare it for the stages ahead. The next stage is all about cleaning. The cooked pulp is thoroughly washed and screened to remove unwanted particles and remaining impurities.
Mapa sėdėras tumakani, kad paivänys narkotовёжный в тенеристы вторugмейская трова краспосадят на понифи прусать вирасак подрожный течи донашные спистракса.
Nothing goes to waste in this process. The remaining chemical solution is burned in a recovery boiler, generating energy while allowing valuable chemicals to be recovered and reused. This is chemical recovery in action. The used chemicals are purified and returned to the pulping process, helping reduce waste and improve efficiency. The pulp now enters the paper machine, where it passes through 4 major stages: forming, pressing, drying, and finishing, before becoming a thin sheet of paper.
Pulp becomes paper in 4 stages: forming, pressing, drying, finishing.
To create a smoother surface and improve printability, a thin coating is applied to the paper during this stage. But papermaking is not just about production. Before any used water is returned to nature, it must be carefully treated and cleaned, a hallmark of responsible manufacturing. Before leaving the factory, every sheet undergoes a series of strict tests, including weight, strength, tear resistance, water absorption, and brightness, to ensure consistent quality. From a tree in a forest to the sheet of paper in your hands, this is a long journey driven by science, precision, and hard work. The next time you hold a piece of paper, remember, there is an entire story hidden behind it. If you enjoy the process, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.